We don't have any boat to get you.
Yeah, made it.
I'm chumming for fish.
Well, you only caught people.
Ready?
All right.
Woo! 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 It's my breath.
You gonna jump off there?
Wait a minute, I'll get the camera. Oh.
You gonna?
I hadn't thought about it. Why?
Okay, go ahead. You'll be all right.
Huh?
Can let Jim hold it? You jump off.
Yeah, let Jim do it.
Go ahead, dear.
Ryan.
No, we're wasting film. Just real quick. You'll be fine.
Here, I'll push her here.
No!
On three. You ready?
Are you sure?
Yeah. One.
Ryan?
Just make sure your feet are down.
Yeah. Just jump straight down.
First.
On three. One,
No!
two.
Sugar.
Jump straight out.
No.
Come on, I'm wasting film. Jump.
Don't. Tape over there.
Why don't you go read that magazine? Well, I did it twice. I did it twice.
So?
All right, just jump. It's water, dear.
Hold your nose too.
Yeah. All right, Jim, you got dry hands? Well, you got full hands.
Here, hold my camera. Jessica! Jessica!
Yes!
Jessica! I'm gonna throw you the football. Catch it.
One!
You ready?
I've never seen a piece of bread before.
Yeah, the fish are gonna start eating it. It's gonna draw the fish in. Right on the jet ski.
Okay, here you go.
Is it recording right
Yeah, that's right.
now? It's wide angle right now, as wide as it'll go.
Yeah, it says record right there. It's recording.
All right, it's recording. Watch your head.
You gonna watch me, then you're gonna go, or you're gonna go with me?
You go.
Then you're gonna
Are you
come
following him,
Go,
Deb?
dear.
in. You ready?
You just love to tease me.
On three.
Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay. It's Deb's turn.
I'll catch you.
Deb's not even listening.
I'm talking to Lenore, thank you.
All right. What a futz. Let's go read that magazine. Find that article about that thing.
How was it? Refreshing?
Absolutely.
I noticed Deb's moving away from you there, bro.
Just took a candy bar out. Look like
No. No.
I'm not going to throw away a good candy bar. Actually, I'm the only one eating those Snickers, and I bought 2 packages.
I'm teasing you,
Well, Deb, Brian, you grab one side over and I'll grab the other.
Yeah.
Debbie, we can put you down with this.
Well, I wonder about that one.
Anyway, that would have had to been a Baby Ruth bar, not a Snickers. For the duty.
The doo-doo?
What movie was that in? Oh, Caddyshack.
See, it was fun.
It seems pretty far, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like when those girls were on that cliff the other day. Refreshing?
I think I ripped my shorts.
I take my glasses off. I don't want to see anything.
Me neither. Coming?
No.
Okay.
One, two. I'm gonna go now. Well, I got my confidence.
Well, then you two go.
All right.
Go! Church, no, you did go. I just think you would, Jim.
What? Why wouldn't I?
I called you church.
I didn't hear that.
I was up with
Okay.
Now that
Okay. It's easy.
Quit trying to force me to do something.
Well, then go read the magazine.
Shut up.
It looks scary, but it isn't. Go ahead. It's all water. On 3. 1.
No, dear.
Just do it. 2.
Brian!
3.
Oh.
Come on, we're holding the whole boat up for you. We're waiting for you. Everybody's done it except you on the boat.
Yeah, my head's getting moonburn here. Let's go.
We're all still alive. So it can't be that dangerous.
No? Okay, forget it, Jim. That's a wrap.
We're gonna have a mutiny if you don't.
Well, then we're having a mutiny.
Yeah, go. 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 Come on. Just do it. What if I went with you and held your hand on the way?
No,
Don't like that one either?
no.
All right. Should I just turn off the camera then? Put it away, pack it up? Well, I've only got 30 minutes left. And we have to get back before dark, you know. On 3. There you go. Jeez, you got me wet.
you tried good.
What? You liked it?
So you did.
No, I sit right up my butt.
Oh, well.
Yay, Debbie.
We've had Brian up there a long time.
Well, your splash got my camera wet. That's a 10.
Again, I wasn't watching.
I'm not doing it again.
Oh, Mom, you make big puddles. That was a double.